Sun damage, glare, and a faded dashboard can quietly ruin the driving experience, especially in full-size trucks and SUVs that spend years under intense sunlight. This custom-fit DashMat dash cover is designed to restore comfort, protect your dashboard, and give your interior a clean, factory-finished look that lasts. Built specifically for compatible Chevrolet and GMC models equipped with 3 defrost vents, it delivers a precise fit that looks intentional, not aftermarket. DashMat dash covers are custom patterned to match the exact contours of your vehicle's dashboard. Every vent and sensor opening is pre-cut, ensuring proper airflow and functionality while maintaining a clean, professional appearance. Once installed, the cover sits securely in place using hook and loop fasteners, with no sliding or curling over time. Installation is quick and requires no special tools, making it an easy upgrade for any vehicle owner. Beyond appearance, this DashMat provides real protection. It shields your dashboard surface from harmful UV rays that cause cracking, fading, and warping over time. By reducing harsh windshield glare, it also improves driving visibility and safety, especially during early morning or late afternoon driving. The soft phosph fiber carpet material helps regulate interior temperature, keeping your cabin cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Made from high-quality polyester fabric derived from 100% post-consumer recycled plastic bottles, this dash cover is durable, eco-conscious, and designed not to fade, fray, or shrink. It also helps conceal existing blemishes or imperfections on older dashboards, extending the life and appearance of your interior without expensive repairs. Since 1979, DashMat has been the most recognized and trusted dash protector on the market, known for consistent quality and long-term performance. Owners frequently praise the accurate fit, color match, and noticeable improvement in interior comfort. Before purchasing, confirm your vehicle's year, model, and dash configuration to ensure proper fitment. If you want to protect your dashboard while enhancing your truck's interior, this DashMat is a smart, proven choice. Click the link in the video description to purchase, and subscribe to the channel to explore more reliable automotive accessories and interior upgrades.